Hey guys, it's Rhonda. I'm coming live unexpectedly today because I have some updates that I don't know if you guys have seen. So let me just check. I want to make sure that I'm in live. Okay, I see that it's working on my phone there. Just wanted to make sure you guys could hear me because I know sometimes I've been having problems with my audio. But anyways, I know there's a bunch of you in this group who did join IPS or Infinity Processing System with us. So I don't know if you've been keeping up with it, with any of the updates. However, I wanted to come in here and share these with you. And if you're not in Infinity Processing or IPS and you want to know more about it, just let us know. It is a great program if you want to learn affiliate marketing and how to use it on different social media platforms as well as some offline. Okay, so that's just a little quick overview of it. However, I'm going to go in here now. So I have my back office showing here now. So I'm going to show you guys some of the updates. It's really exciting. So I am at the pro level. So there are some things added. All these are added to the pro level. And then some of these things are going to be added to the starter and the elite level. So there is 3 levels in IPS. There's the starter level at $50, elite at $150, and the pro level, which is $300. Okay. So I am here under 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads, okay? But here's the training on how to use these. As you can see, here is all the pre-written ads for you that we've already had in here, right? And all these graphics that we've already had in here for us to copy and paste and use all over social media. I keep scrolling. There's a lot. Down here at the bottom, there's a new bonus, marketing image ads for all your social media platforms. So all you have to do is, download these in your computer or your phone, whatever you're using, and use them. They are all professionally done. If you'd like to do your own graphics, what you could do is just take some of the copy off of these and make your own graphics. So that's another idea for you also. But look at, there's tons, and I'm scrolling and scrolling. Lots of added value that just dropped today in IPS, right? So anyways, all those new. I'm going to go back up here. And then there's also, if you go to, I got to remember where all this stuff is because there was so much added. There's a brand new training program, how to post unlimited ads on highly trafficked websites for free. So this is brand new training, post 500 ads on autopilot, how to post on ads for free. This is a brand new training in here, okay? This training is, I believe, only in the pro level. However, if you are in the other levels, just check your back office. I did watch Adriana's live this morning, but I don't remember that exactly. So just check your back office. And as you can see, there's about just under 18-minute video on how to get your ads posted for free on different kinds of websites. Okay, so all kinds of stuff here for you. And then there's also under automate your business, automate your business trainer. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, so here's the stuff we had in here. So if you scroll, there's a bonus email marketing strategy that was also just added today. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 additional trainings in email marketing to help you be more successful in your email marketing. So I hope you find this exciting as I do. It's always exciting, right? When you are already in a program and value is added with no additional cost, right? So there's no additional charge. This is all in your back office. As of this morning, everything was added in. So I always recommend to people when you get into training or when you get into any program, you should go through everything. So you should have already gone through everything. I always go back and sometimes I'll review things if I'm not too sure on it. But now today I've been digging into all the new stuff. So I just wanted to come in here live and go over that with you guys really fast to show you all the extra added value that is in here to help you be successful. And as always, if you have any questions, you need any help with anything, just reach out to me. You guys can comment here, and you can always, send me a DM in Messenger. I'm happy to point you in the right direction. If you're seeing this and you're not in infinity processing or IPS, this is evergreen content, right? So you can see, let me go back here for a second. There is training in here that is evergreen, meaning you can use this training for any business opportunity that you're in. So besides the stuff that is specific, like the graphics or whatever, there's training in here for Facebook, market mastery, Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, right? So there's all kinds of training that is in there. If you want to learn how to properly market on these platforms, this is a great place to get all the stuff to get you up and going and start earning some extra money and extra income, right? I follow the training. It's been working for me. So once again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help you. And I hope you enjoyed this little video, me coming live, and just want to make sure you guys stay updated. Have a great Wednesday. I'll see you guys soon.